Alright, what's up my people? How na dey? So I don't carry another update carry come. Now update what I don't do it for some time now, and the update blessing now update way make sense for now. And today I want come make we talk about so that I want hear from you your experience so far. If now how the update they work for you, if the update make sense for your side, I be no really make sense like that. Okay. Now the update we want to talk about today, then they call them buy trading, and we'll go talk about what be buy trading for new people and what be some of the pros and cons, what be my experience inside buy trading, and go share my opinion and things like that. I feel drop my ratings. If I continue, make sure you like, share, subscribe so that you go to collect better update from my side. Now, recently, like 2 days ago, I've been doing live trading with my community members. So my community members, we do live trading for my VIP group. So we trade for like 40 minutes, be 50 minutes. All of us we collect profit. I was very happy that that was a success. I was very happy. I've been there happy. I not go lie, you know. So what thing go happen? We say I go play some of the video for screen because I've been record some of the session. Make gonna see us in then we go continue. Time. Make sure you select 5 minutes because we are doing 5 minutes right now. So select 5 minutes on that time. All right, our trade is going. Let's see if this trade is going to be profitable or not. Let's see. It's going to take 5 minutes before the result comes, so you still have time to join us and place your trade. The first thing you have to do, make sure you break down the money in your wallet using the calculator. Once you break down your amount, then you click on BTC28, then put it in 5 minutes. Put it in 5 minutes. Once you put it in 5 minutes, then you place your first trade. The result just came out, and that particular trade was a win. We made profits. So whenever you hit your target, you stop there for the day. That's why you need to have a target, so that if you hit it, you stop. So we made profit. So we actually made profit. Yes, we made profit in the last trade. $4.3 profit today. And I'm stopping here. I've been collecting small thing for that particular thing, so I just cut some parts so that I feel just compost and show now. Say if you want trade for this update and you know really sabi how to trade, if you join my community, so that I feel they guide you once in a while, so that I go follow all my other community members they trade together. You understand? So no be only trading we they do there, but they talk about different updates, different new updates, and so on and so forth. Okay, now wetin be buy trading na platform wey talk say if they do one or two for their platform, make it they collect, then get Bitcoin trading, then get Ethereum trading, and so on and so forth, because then they trade Bitcoin price. Not just that, then get their calculator if it help you break down your capital into 8 stages, so that you go sabi what you they use your capital do, so that your capital no will just go like that. Not just that, then get their Telegram community 5-minute signal group with 1-minute signal group. If you use the collect signal, make it they trade, they collect small thing every single day. Not just that, then they offer compensation. Say if you can't trade with them, follow their instructions, and you go lose your small thing, say they go compensate you. They even get their affiliate program where they talk say if they use the platform, if they enjoy the platform, if you talk about the platform to other people, if they join, if you collect small thing from the update. Like I said, people get their opinion about the platform. Now, nobody say the platform too good like that, but now something where they active for now. What will be my experience? Well, I don't use them for now in the active, and they don't come add Naira feature for the update. Will be say if you still use Naira for those of us also I know they used to USDT, but the problem where they be saying I'll go talk about that one later, sha. So they don't come add Naira feature. What will be some of the pros and cons? Now the first pro be say the platform is straightforward. Everything we didn't talk now waiting day on the update. Now another pro what I like about the platform be say they get active customer service. Another thing be say they get different tools if we help you. They get their calculator, compensation, the Telegram channel, all these small tools will help you as a beginner, make you understand the update. Another pro be that. Now another pro what I like about them be say they can't add Naira for people who know like USDT and things like that. Another pro be say the update they work everywhere if USDT they are available for your location. Now what be some of the things I know like about the platform? Number one, that Naira where they add, they get issues because I don't try to come on my small thing with that Naira 1-2 times. I don't get issues with that their Naira option. Now another thing we I know to like about the update be say one platform they get different URL. I they complain about this all the time. They no one fix them, but another thing we I don't like about their platform and be that. But apart from that, any other issue will come up, I go let you know. I like the update well because they very simple, although they easy to understand for new person go confuse you well, but it is simple. No means it is easy to understand. So if you be new person, I go advise you make you follow me for my Telegram channel, follow me for my Telegram community, follow me for my seeding account. I be don't do the tutorial drop for there so that you go see how if you go about the updates. If you don't understand something, NBC go they get issues all the time inside that particular stuff. So make sure say you go check out my tutorials for my seeding account so that you go understand how this update they go. I go still give them 6/10. You get plenty things where they still need to improve. You understand? That is my own personal ratings. I've been come small thing from the update. If they allow me, I go drop and show and say I don't come on my small thing. If you want to see other plenty new updates like that, make sure say you join my Telegram community. The update make sense for your side. I be no make sense for your side. Waiting be some of your challenges we don't they face with this particular update. Just drop and give us for comment section, my people. I go see you now for my next video and bye for now.